Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression which is 6 minus 6 divided by 6 and divided by 6. So, how can we find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve this question just in 30 seconds. So don't skip this video. Mostly people can solve this question by wrong method. He can solve this question as 6 minus 6 equal to 0 and 0 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now here 0 divided by 6 equal to 0 divided by 6 again equal to 0. But guys, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where we can say that division have higher priority than subtraction. So firstly we can solve division. So guys, I can write as it is 6 minus 6 divided by 6 equal to 1 divided by 6. Now here guys, I can write it as 6 minus 1 divided by 6. I can write in this form. Now the LCM of this is 6. Now here 6 are 36 minus 1. Now 36 minus 1 equals to 35 divided by 6. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel.